PT300SAT Balancing and Alignment Simulator, designed specifically for vibration analysis instruction and mechanical fault diagnosis research. It simulates a full range of typical mechanical faults, including bearing defects, belt wear faults, rotor unbalance, shaft misalignment, mechanical looseness, and rotor rubbing. Both angular misalignment and parallel misalignment can be reproduced, with an optional laser shaft aligner available for hands-on alignment calibration training. Rotor unbalance conditions are fully replicable for testing purposes. Fault bearings with damaged inner rings, outer rings, rolling elements, cages, and combined multi-point defects are interchangeable to capture distinctive vibration and noise signature signals. Built-in speed control and display on the front panel delivers adjustable speed from 0 to 3,500 RPM, with precise 1 RPM incremental tuning via control knobs. Power input: single-phase AC 0 to 240 V, 50/60ths of a hertz. Region-specific power plugs for global markets can be fitted. A dedicated emergency shutdown switch is installed for operational safety. Every component is precision machined with tight tolerances, ensuring smooth, stable operation during testing. Ideal for university teaching labs and academic research. It supports algorithm validation and vibration signature analysis for fault diagnosis systems. PT300SAT engineered for hands-on, real-world mechanical fault diagnosis teaching and research.